In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your GitHub settings effectively, including how to work with API tokens securely and safely. Whether you're new to using GitHub or just need a refresher on managing access tokens, this guide is designed to help you through the process step by step with ease and clarity. To begin, we'll start by navigating to GitHub. If you aren't familiar, GitHub is a popular platform for hosting and collaborating on code projects. It's a crucial tool for developers around the world, providing important features such as version control and project management. Open your favorite web browser and type GitHub into the search bar, or simply go directly to github.com. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed in to your GitHub account. If you're not, go ahead and log in with your credentials, your username and password. Next, once you're on the GitHub homepage and logged into your account, look towards the upper right corner of the page. Here, you'll find your profile picture or avatar. Click on it to drop down the menu, then select Settings. This section is your command center for personalizing and securing your GitHub experience. You will find an array of options that affect different aspects of your account and how you interact with the platform. Within the Settings menu, scroll down and look for Developer Settings. Select this option. Developer Settings is where you will have access to a multitude of features that are essential for developers, including managing your API tokens. API tokens are critical because they allow other services or applications to interact with GitHub on your behalf, but with restricted permissions based on how you configure them. Inside Developer Settings, click on Personal Access Tokens. This section allows you to generate new tokens or manage existing ones. If you have already created access tokens, you'll see them listed here along with options to manage them, including viewing, regenerating, or deleting if needed. For a new token, you can click on the Generate New Token button, which will guide you through the process of setting permissions specific to what you need the token to access. It's important to store these tokens securely. A simple but effective way is to place your API token in a private repository. This method ensures that your token remains hidden and is not exposed publicly, mitigating the risk of unauthorized access. Remember, never share your personal access tokens or passwords publicly to avoid potential security breaches. And that's it, you're done. By following these steps, you've made sure your GitHub account is secure and your access tokens are managed properly. Remember, being cautious with your security settings ensures a safer development environment. Thank you for watching and happy coding.